This 2024 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is a Class A RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features a boho, Oasis, Jewel, interior, sleeps 8, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, external shower, water heater, awning, TV antenna, skylight, leveling jacks, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, loft, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is built on a Ford F-53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.